Here is Potato Chat app. So here is Potato Chat. It's pretty interesting app which now is going into top charts in social networking recently. So a lot of people want to try it out. It's kind of like alternative to WhatsApp or Telegram. So yeah, that's basically what you can see here. And again, it's kind of focuses on security. I don't know about security here that much, but this app gets it because it kind of has a lot of free options. So it's a messaging app with a focus on speed and security. It's super fast, simple, secure, and free. You can send an unlimited amount of messages, photos, videos, and files of any type. Doc, zip, PDF. Potato groups have up to 200,000 members that you can create channels to broadcast messages to an unlimited number of subscribers. We built Potato to make messaging speedy and safe. Why switch to Potato? Potato is the fastest messaging app on the market. They claim it's secure. It has a lot of cloud storage, and yeah, it has pretty big group chat and sharing options again. So 200,000 members in your group chat. You can share large videos and documents, unlimited amount of photos to your friends. So yeah, it has this really big storage and you can use it for that. It's reliable. This app was here for a while, but now it's getting some traction. I don't know why. Like a lot of apps recently, which are alternatives to WhatsApp, getting some traction, and also alternatives to Telegram. Recently Telegram has some security issues, or it's just a bit buggy recently. So people are kind of looking for app like this. So this is how the app looks like. You can create channels, you can create groups, you can invite friends. So just invite your friends from your contacts. You can also then you can see chats. You can add a contact. You can create new group. You can create new secret chat. And then you can discover what's here, just like some sticker stores. And then you can just scan. So yeah, that's it. Super easy to use, kind of very minimalistic. I like it. I don't like when there are 50 buttons everywhere. I mean, in the app design. And then you just have your account. You have your recent calls. You have device management, data and storage. So you can see all the settings here. Privacy permissions. You can see chat settings. I mean, the app is quite similar to Telegram. Share to friends. That's just what you have here. So that's the app. I mean, try it out. I don't know if you can trust it at full. So it's not like Signal, or it's not like a big brand name yet. So I guess it's only popular in some countries, mostly maybe some Arabic countries or things like that. But yeah, basically recently there is some search for alternative for Telegram. So this is one of those apps, I guess, which trying to fill the niche. So try it out.